Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. SKYROCKET meme coin, basic information, important technical analysis, price prediction update, forecast, quick update. SKYROCKET meme coin, Binance Smart Chain meme coin, coming day listing Binance. SKYROCKET meme coin last 24 hours, time of recording, huge, massive pumping so far, 50% price increase jump. Current technical indicator sentiment overall bullish, trading near above RSI indicator near overbought position. Price will increase rise. Cat meme coin last 1 month performance, 53% performance, 16 days positive movement last 1 month. Simon Cat meme coin price volatility 10%, high volatility last 1 month. Here and grid index 83, extreme grid index. Last 24-hour trading volume 482 million. Market cap 400 million, market dominance 0.01%. Last 24-hour trading volume increase 950%. Last 24-hour trading volume increase, Simon Cat meme coin 950% before day. Hold profitable. Coming session, coming days, price value more increasing, rising. New base by entry trade point 0.0046375. 0.0046375. Touch this level, base by entry trade point, hold profitable. Simon Cat meme coin, highest price, high cycle 0.0045893. 0.0045893, highest price, high cycle. Simon Cat current circulating supply is 6.75 trillion cat. Out of supply 9 trillion cat. Currently ranked meme coin sector. Simon Cat meme coin 23. Cat meme coin 32 cryptocurrency exchange listed, 33 pairs. KuCoin, OKX, ATX, Gate.io coming days listed Binance. Cat meme coin price prediction sentiment bullish. 15 technical analysis indicator signaling bullish buy signals. In currently only one signal bearish signal. Overall technical indicator sentiment. Cat meme coin bullish. Currently trading near above. Currently RSI indicator. Relative index momentum value around 50-60 indicates near overbought position, price will increase rise. RSI indicator around 50-60 near overbought position. Currently 50-day SMA bullish, short-term trending zone. Currently 50-day SMA simple moving average, exponential moving average, short-term trending zone. Currently daily SMA 21.1053 bullish. It means Simon Cat meme coin recent trending coin. Support level entry points 0.004, 4735, 0.004, 4325, and strongest support level entry point Cat meme coin 0.004, 3850. Resistance level 0.004, 6375, 0.004, 6725, and 0.004, 7325 resistance levels. Based on Simon Cat meme coin forecast, current technical indicator sentiment bullish, trading near above RSI near overbought position, price will increase rise. Last 24-hour time of recording, huge massive pumping so far, 50% price increase up, trading volume increase before day, 950%. It been good investment, very big potential this meme coin, Simon Cat meme coin. Hold, mid-term, short-term, profitable. New base by entry trade point, take this level, base by entry trade point 0.0046375. 0.0046375, new base by entry trade point. Hold, profitable. Simon Cat, meme coin, cat coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.